The Hone 140A 3-in-1 welding machine is designed to automatically match the wire feeding speed and welding voltage, making it much easier for beginners to achieve professional results. It features a built-in smart hot start and arc force, ensuring quick and reliable arc starts and stable welding currents, which is ideal for various types of welding rods. With an excellent Lift-arc TIG function, this welding machine allows for easy arc starting without needing to scratch the tungsten rod, effectively providing the functionality of a TIG welder. This multiprocess welder includes essential safety features such as automatic anti-stick, voltage fluctuation compensation, overcurrent protection, and overheat protection, ensuring safe and reliable operation. Capable of welding a wide range of ferrous metals including carbon steel, stainless steel, and cast iron, this welder is highly versatile and suitable for various applications. Weighing only 10.1 pounds and equipped with a handle and shoulder strap, it is portable and ideal for outdoor maintenance, farm work, road equipment repair, and home DIY projects.